Dr. Bratcher are former educators that have picked up the sport of pickleball, which is growing huge in the United States. And we're very fortunate to have them here and help us establish pickleball starting at a young age. You'll notice as you guys get older, you're going to hear more about this and be like, oh, I played that when I was at MIT. So I'm going to hand off the floor to them. They're going to talk to you a little bit about it, and then guess what you're going to do afterwards. Then actually go play and figure out how to do this game. And we have some equipment here, thanks to Dr. Bratcher, that when you guys want to go out and do PE.
Not Dr. Bratcher, First Serve Santa Ana.
First Serve Santa Ana. Dr. Bratcher from First Serve Santa Ana. When you guys want to go out and do PE and do pickleball, just gotta get teachers to let me know. We'll hand the paddles out there, and you guys can go out there and actually play during PE. Okay, so you guys have access to the equipment. Thank you to First Serve Santa Ana. So I'm gonna pass it on to you guys.
All right, I'll take over. Good morning, everybody. All right, we're gonna start with a little warm up. I want you to show me your muscles and say, I want you to shout, I am awesome.
I am awesome.
Louder.
I am awesome.
All right, well, I'm going to talk to you about an awesome game called pickleball. How many of you like to eat pickles? Really? You like to eat pickles? Okay. All right. This game has nothing to do with pickles. Okay? It was named after a dog named Pickles. What a crazy name for a sport, Pickles. Now, here's the paddle. And this game is kind of in between ping pong and tennis. Okay? It's like a big ping pong table and everything that you stand on. And it makes noise. Can you hear that? What does this sound like? Somebody said it sounds like popcorn popping. Or how about, you know what bubble wrap is?
Yes.
Well, when you stomp on bubble wrap, it might sound like this. And it's a very good sound. It makes some noise. Now, I'm going to be giving away, Dr. Bratcher is one of my heroes, by the way. He's laughing, but he started pickleball in Santa Ana. Okay, he's the man to do that. Can you believe that? Now, old guys like us play pickleball, but the sport is becoming younger and younger. It's the fastest growing sport in America because it builds your muscles and it builds your brain. Okay, because it's so fast. It's a great game. Anyway, we're going to be giving away some medals. We've got 3 medals to give away to some of you. Now, I want to tell you, I'm going to ask for some volunteers to come up, and then I'm going to, in just a minute, and I'm also going to ask your principal and we're going to do a little paddle battle. Okay? All right, and he's a very good athlete, so we're going to do a little paddle battle, and some of you are going to do a little paddle battle, maybe with us too, okay? All right, but first, I'm going to warm up. This is how you start. You kind of warm up the ball like this, and then, if you're really fancy, oh my gosh. Do you think you could bounce it on the edge of the paddle? Now, I don't want to brag, but I set the world record in doing this. I was at a tournament and a bunch of people were watching. Guess how many times I did it? Take a guess. How many times? Yeah.
58.
58. Wow, thank you. That's confidence. 100. You're close, by the way. Huh? 75. Actually, I set the record 97 times. All right, and we're going to videotape this. I'm going to try to break the record today. I might do it, I might not, okay? If I don't do it, it's okay, all right? But I'm going to try to do it. Break the record in front of you here at MIT. Break the record. I mean, this is the world record. Okay, 97. Let's see. Oh, she's nervous. Thank you. All right. I don't know if I don't think I can do it, to be honest with you, but I'm going to try. Here we go. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Whoa! I'm not kidding you. That's not easy to do. Here's what's good. It's good for your brain. And you know what? Pickleball is good for your muscles too. It's helped me stay in shape as I got older. And it's good for you. Pickleball is fun. All right. Wow, I can't believe
I can beat 100 watch.
Who uses paddles, right?
Oh, see, he's cheating using water paddle.
Okay, I know your principle.
Here we go. Let's see.
Warm up by doing this.
Oh, he's gonna let you warm up. Isn't that nice?
All right, ready? Here we go.
That was just the warm-up, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's really good.
Hey, that's the new principal world record, guys.
That is. Good job.
So your guys' job to beat the
All right,
principal.
who wants to try? Young lady right there. Come on up. Yeah. Okay. Now, what is your name? Okay, now I want you to warm up. Start by just bouncing it and just warm up. And then see if you can hit it on the edge. We'll see what. You'll see it's not easy to do, but. Fine. That's very good. Okay? Most people can only do 12. At the beginning. Try again. Very good. All right, who wants to try? Give it to somebody.
Santiago.
Good job. Okay, Santiago, warm up.
That's hard. I thought it was easy.
Control it. Nice and slow, buddy. Little bounces.
All right, try the edge.
Okay, keep trying.
Try the edge now.
Now, don't give up. You learn very quickly with this sport. That's what makes it so popular.
There, one. There you go. 3, 4.
Okay, very good. Give it to one more person, and then we're going to do a paddle battle.